Monopoly Junior Electronic Banking How to Play. The object of the game is to have the most money when the first player is out of money. Lay out the board, and each player chooses a character and takes the token and matching character card, bank card, and sold signs. Place your token on go. Shuffle the chance deck and place it face down on the board. When you are ready to begin, press and hold the green Go button on the banking unit for 3 seconds to reset it and begin a new game. Each player is credited $18 to their card. You can insert your card into the unit at any time to see how much money you have left. The youngest player goes first, then play continues to the left. On your turn, roll the die and move your token that many spaces clockwise around the board. Every time you pass or land on go, insert your card into the banking unit and press the green Go button to receive $2. If you land on a chance space, draw the top card from the chance deck, read it aloud, then do what it says, and put the card on the bottom of the deck. Anytime that you need to pay or receive money, insert your card into the banking unit, then press the plus or minus buttons. The plus button adds $1 to your card, while the minus button removes $1 from your card. After you have the correct amount of money showing on the screen, press the blue bank button to confirm the action before removing your card. If you land on the go to jail space, then put your token in jail. You may not collect $2 for passing go. At the start of your next turn, you must either use a get out of jail free card or pay $1 to get out of jail. Then roll the die and move like normal. If you land on free parking or just visiting, then nothing happens. If you land on an unowned property, then you must buy it. The price of the property is listed on its space. Pay the bank by removing money from your card, then place a sold sign on that space. If you land on a property owned by someone else, then you must pay them rent. The rent price is listed on the board. If a player owns 2 properties of the same color, then the rent price is double. When subtracting money from your card on the banking unit for paying rent, press the red rent button instead of the blue button when confirming. After pressing it, pass the banking unit to the owner of the property, who then inserts their card, and the rent is automatically added to it. When one player runs out of money, the game ends immediately and the banking unit will show the card number of the winner. If there is a tie, the banking unit will alternate between the tied players. Those players then have to add up the value of all of their properties with their cash, and the player with the most wins. For tips on using the banking unit, check out the blue box on page 5 of the rulebook.